In this video, we will convert numbers between base 10 decimal and base 16 hexadecimal. We have two examples, converting 8685 base 10 into hexadecimal, converting 1b to e from base 16 into decimal. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a reference key for the hex digits 0 through F, where the letters A through F represents values 10 through 15. Let's start converting from decimal into hexadecimal. To convert from decimal to hexadecimal, repeatedly divide by 16 and keep track of the remainders. Starting with 8685, divided by 16 is 542 with a remainder of 13. Looking at our key, 13 corresponds to hex digit D. Next, 542 divided by 16 is 33, with a remainder of 14, which corresponds to hex digit E. Then 33 divided by 16 is 2, with a remainder of 1. And finally, 2 divided by 16 is 0, with a remainder of 2. Now read the hexadecimal remainders from bottom to top. 2, 1, E, D. So 8685 base 10 equals 21ED base 16. Now converting hexadecimal to decimal. To convert from hexadecimal to decimal, evaluate each position's place value and add them together. We start with 1b to e base 16 and set up the positional place value table. The powers of 16 are 16 cubed, 16 squared, 16 to the power 1, and 16 to the 0. In base 10, these column values are 4096, 256, 16, and 1. Placing our hex digits into the table gives 1b to e. Converting any letter digits to decimal, b becomes 11 and e becomes 14. Multiplying each digit by its positional value gives 4096, 2816, 32, and 14. Summing these values, 4096 plus 2816 plus 32 plus 14 gives 6958. Therefore, 1b to e in base 16 equals 6958 in base 10.